Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we are talking about how to fix VLC Player not playing videos or not working or giving you those errors when you try to play a certain video. This video is mainly focused on MKV. To be more specific, it's the H.264 HEVC encoded videos not working. So as you can see, the first thing that we are going to is the file explorer, and let's say this is the file you're trying to play. Now the first problem here is that this file's name is way too long. It may have special characters and things like that. You do not want that. That is one of the major issues that VLC has. So what you want to do is you want to change the video file name to something shorter, maybe just file or something like that. You also want to change the folder, if it's in a folder's name, to something shorter, and then try and play your MKV file. It's highly likely this is going to fix the problem if the naming convention was a problem. And this has been the main fix for MKV video files. However, there is one final thing you can try, and that is to go to Tools and then go to Preferences. And then you want to go to Video, and you will see here Output. And you need to go through all of these. Most common to work are DirectX 3D11 and DirectX 9. You can also try OpenGL, but go through all of them. Maybe one of the others might work for you. And that is all I've got for you. I really hope that solves the problem. Unfortunately, if it doesn't, maybe let us know in the comment section and we can see what we can do. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.